Hello Vivekians, this is Aman ma'am, English teacher for grade 4. I welcome you to the first day of English subjects chapter number 3, God Provides. So students, let us now begin with the story of a king and two beggars. Chapter number 3, God Provides. Write down today's date where I have written the word date. Alright, let's begin. Who doesn't love a good story? Storytelling is common to every culture. A folktale is a story that is common to a particular culture and region. जो एक particular culture और region की होती है उसको folktale बोलते हैं. It is passed down from one generation to another orally. The word folk means common people in Old English. These stories are generally set in villages and small towns and portray day-to-day life with simple characters. Portray क्या होता है students? Portray is show. They usually end up happily and there is an interesting lesson for us to learn at the end of the story. Now coming to the story, reading and comprehension. Let's read. Once there lived a wealthy king who was famous for his generosity. What is generosity? Generosity is willingness or kindness to share or give things. Two beggars visited his court daily for alms, and the king made sure that they were given a good meal and money. So students, there were two beggars, a younger one and an elder one, who came to the king to get some money, food or things. The younger of the two beggars always praised the king when he received the king's alms. जब उसे king से money मिलती थी, food मिलता था, things मिलती थी, तो वो king की तारीफ करता था. But the older beggar, however, always raised his eyes towards the skies and said, God is great, He provides for me. So the older beggar, he never praised the king. Instead, he always praised the God. Fourth one, on the king's birthday, the ruler generously gave each of the beggars large sum of money. Older beggar, जैसे वो हमेशा करता था, folded his hands in prayer as soon as he received the money. जब हम गॉड को थैंक करते हैं किसी चीज़ के लिए, हम अपने हाथ जोड़ते हैं ना, वैसे ही एल्डर बेगर ने भी गॉड को थैंक करने के लिए अपने हाथ जोड़े. द किंग वॉज वेरी क्रॉस व्हेन ही हर्ड दीज वर्ड्स. किंग गॉट एंग्री. किंग को गुस्सा आ गया. व्हाट एन अनग्रेटफुल फेलो दिस बेगर इज. नेवर वंस डज ही प्रेज माई काइंडनेस एंड जनरॉसिटी. ये तो कभी मेरी तारीफ करता ही नहीं है. Instead, he always praises God. ये हमेशा भगवान की तारीफ करता है. I'll teach him a lesson. King ने सोचा, अब मैं इसको सबक सिखाऊंगा. The next day, after he had given out alms to the beggars as usual, the king asked them to do something. Go along the small path in the palace garden. I have provided a gift there for one of you. God will provide for the other. अब किंग ने क्या बोला कि आप जाओ बाहर पैलेस गार्डन के स्मॉल पाथ पे चलो, एक के लिए मैंने गिफ्ट रखा है, दूसरे को भगवान देगा. The king had ordered a purse full of gold to be placed in the center of the path. He wanted to make sure the younger beggar would find it. किंग ने ये सब एल्डर बेगर को सबक सिखाने के लिए किया था. उसने सोचा कि यंगर बेगर को अगर गोल्ड कॉइन्स मिल जाएंगे तो एल्डर बेगर को अपने आप समझ में आ जाएगा कि गॉड नहीं, इट्स आई हु प्रोवाइड्स. So what he did, he said the younger beggar to go first. He said, you go first. As the younger beggar walked along the path, the air was filled with the scent of lovely flowers that were blooming all around. अब वहाँ पे गार्डन में बहुत सारे फ्लावर्स लगे थे. उनकी इतनी अच्छी फ्रेग्रेंस थी कि जो यंगर बेगर था, he missed seeing the purse. He closed his eyes and sniffed the air. to be able to inhale the lovely fragrances better, and he missed seeing the purse. उसने बहुत गहरी सांस ली और आंखें बंद करके फ्लावर्स को सूंघता रहा. But what he did? He missed seeing the purse. The older beggar who was walking behind him found it and picked it up. Ah, what is this? अब पर्स किसको मिला? Older beggar को. The following day, the king asked the two beggars whether they had found anything on the garden path. अब किंग ने पूछा कि उनको गार्डन पाथ में कुछ मिला क्या? Younger beggar said, no, it was quite empty. Whereas the older beggar said, I found a purse full of gold. God is great. He provides for me. अब older beggar ने कहा कि मुझे तो भगवान ने दिया है. The king was enraged to hear this. King को अब गुस्सा आ गया. He got angry. But he was more determined than ever to prove his might and generosity to the older beggar. अब किंग अपनी पावर, अपनी स्ट्रेंथ शो करने के लिए पहले से भी ज़्यादा डिटरमाइंड हो गया. I will show him what generosity is. Now he gave the younger beggar a big orange pumpkin. He said, take it home and cut it. You will enjoy what is inside it. अब उसने younger beggar को एक orange color का pumpkin दिया. The beggar did not know that the king had ordered the pumpkin to be hollowed out and filled with gold coins. अब किंग ने क्या किया? पंपकिन पूरा अंदर से खाली करवा के उसके अंदर गोल्ड कॉइन्स भर दिए. He carried the pumpkin for some distance. This pumpkin is too heavy. अब यंगर बेगर को ये तो नहीं पता था कि इस पंपकिन के अंदर गोल्ड कॉइन्स हैं. उसने समझा कि किंग ने मुझे एक नॉर्मल सा पंपकिन दिया है. ये सोचकर कि ये पंपकिन तो बहुत हैवी है, यंगर बेगर ने क्या किया होगा? We'll read the other part of the story in the next video. Till the time, students, there are words underlined for you. Those are the dictation words. Write these words in your notebook in the format provided. Also, complete the comprehension questions along with the word meanings and make sentences. These are the instructions. If you don't have book or fair notebook, maintain your work in any notebook which is available at your home. Image of each and every page is being provided to you. Do your work neatly and according to the pattern. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Bye-bye.